Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 3. The gentleman's still having problems figuring out the cut order. And you have to click on this on your Docker to make this work. So we've got them in the right cut order already. And that was how we did it in Part 1. I'm going to group these together, Control G. I've got my nudge factor set on 46 millimeters. I'm going to nudge it over, but then I'm going to mirror it. Plus key, mirror it or move it over. Mirror it again. Plus key, move it over. Mirror it again. Plus key, move it over. Mirror it again. Plus key, move it over. Mirror it again. That way it's going to start from the top every time. And then the last mirror. So let's just make sure this works. So we got group. So we're going to ungroup for a second. We're going to grab that right there and we're going to go down to the first one. And I'm going to use my up arrow key just to check. So it's going to go down to the bottom, move over, and then go back to the top. You see, because we mirrored them both ways, this is working. Now, it was 330 millimeters between them. Group that together, Control G. Hit the plus key on your keyboard and move it over, but then mirror it. Plus key on your keyboard, move it over. Mirror it. Plus key on your keyboard, move it over. I'm using the right arrow key and mirror it. Now, let's ungroup it all. Go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. Let's test it one more time. Click on this. You have to click on this. If you don't click on this, it's going to move that object up. So click on your Docker. And I'm going to go pretty fast. And Marvin, one I'm doing this for, I will send you this file. Now it should move over to you see how it's working? That's the ultimate cut order you could possibly have. Let's just make sure I mirrored them all. There we go. And it's just, it's pretty simple, straightforward. You just got to remember you need to mirror it every time. If it wasn't the ultimate one, it would just have to go back to the top. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.